welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming probably my most requested video, and that is a room tour. I'm finally happy with the way my room looks like, so I just wanted to show you. I know you want to see what it looks like too, so come on in. This is where you just walked in from. This is the doorway to heaven, and then turn, and the first thing on your right is this magazine holder. I get so many questions on where this rack is from, and it's from Marshall's, and I love that it's wired. I just keep all of my recent magazines on here, and then I have this Acne Studios tag right here. And then right above that I have a bookshelf from Amazon. I just keep some of my favorite books on here and like a coffee table book. I also have a mini Bath & Body Works candle in there. Now moving on, I have this white dresser from IKEA, and props to me and my mom because we managed to build this all on our own, and the dresser is my favorite part of my entire room. I love everything about this. I'm gonna start off with this little corner right here. I have this jewelry holder from HomeGoods, and I keep all of my necklaces on here. As you can see, I have a lot of those. I keep all my gold ones on this side and all my silver ones on this side. I love that the bottom of this is marble. I feel like it ties everything together. And then right in front of that, I have this glass box that holds all of my silver rings. This is also from HomeGoods. You're gonna see a lot of these in my room just because I love the way that these little boxes look. So that's that. And then right behind my jewelry holder, I have a Soleil box because that's a huge part of my life. So I feel like that needs to be showcased. Right next to all of that, I have this clear tray, which is also from HomeGoods. And on here, I just keep stuff that I use right before I leave the house. A Guizou hair perfume, Christian Dior Bois d'Argent perfume, which is bomb. I have this ring holder for all of my gold rings, and this was from Istanbul. I've had this for so long, so I'm really sorry. I have no idea where it's from. Oh my god.
Hey, Lucky.
Right next to that, I have this oval-shaped mirror from the Trading Post. It's my favorite thing in this entire room. It's exactly what I wanted it to be, and I love that it's rustic. It kind of has this dusty rose tint to it, and I love it so much. It's so vintage, and it's just so me. And then right above that, I have this animal head, which is also from the Trading Post. It's obviously fake, so don't worry, but I love the way this looks. Again, that rustic vibe going on, and there's just a little tiara on top of it. I don't know why that's there, but it is because she's a queen. Right next to that, I have all of my sunglasses. As you can see, I have a lot of those, and if you want to see a sunglasses collection, be sure to let me know and I will film that. Moving on to this corner, I have this painting from Banksy, which is also from the Trading Post. This is probably one of my favorite paintings just because I love the message behind it, and I like to keep that just there, really cute. And then in front of that, I have this Maison Margiela candle. I think that's how you pronounce the name, but I love the way that smells. Next to that, I have this little blue crystal that my friend Liliana gave me, so shout out to you, Lil. Thanks. Behind that, I have this vase with fake flowers on it. It's from HomeGoods, and this way I don't even need to water them, they're just there. Moving on to the actual dresser, I'm not really gonna talk about everything that's in it because that's just extra, but like right here, this just is like a weird drawer. I have like gum, lighter, film, extra jewelry, nothing special. And then I have bras, underwear, and socks. And then right here I have all of my skirts and shorts. And then those are PJs, those are hoodies, and these are just some extra shirts. I have one rug in my room, and this is it. It's from IKEA. It's a fake cowskin. I don't know what you call it, just fake cowskin rug. I feel like it ties the room together. Moving on, this is my desk. This is where all the schoolwork, all the editing, where everything happens. This desk is from IKEA. I love how it's so big because then I can just spread everything out and I don't have to worry about anything. Very organized. Right over here, I have another one of those glass containers where I just keep like my business cards. Again, this is from HomeGoods. And then right behind my Imac, I have this mason jar that I keep all of my loose change in so it's not just lying around. And hopefully I can collect thousands of dollars. So right above my desk, I have this wire grid, and I have gotten so many questions on where this is from, and I got this from Amazon, and it was so inexpensive. I'll try to find the link and link it down below so you guys can purchase it, but I like to keep my Polaroids on here and just like wristbands from events, just some memories. In the middle of my desk, I have my Imac. This is where I do like my homework, like online stuff. So that's that. I have a breast cancer awareness sticker and then a film negative. I have no idea why that's there, but that's my iMac. In front of that, I have my laptop. This is where everything happens. I do all of my work on here. Everything that you see on social media, it starts there. So it's really important. I have a bunch of stickers on it. One of the legs for my desk is actually a organizer, and this is from IKEA, and I just keep all of my desk necessities here. I have just paper and a calendar, and then school supplies, and then this is like my electronics drawer where I keep all my filming stuff. This is kind of like a random drawer where I just keep containers and cards and candy and, you know, random stuff. And then this is just more school stuff, textbooks, you know, stuff that you don't really care about. My desk chair is from IKEA as well. Most of my furniture is from IKEA, and I love this chair because it's white and it's small, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. It's comfortable, it spins. Everything that a chair needs, it's got it. In this corner of my desk, I just have this YouTube plaque for passing 100,000 subscribers, so thank you for that. And then next to this, I just have lotion because my hands get dry over winter. And then we just have another candle. This door is my closet, and I'm not really gonna get into that, but behind that, I just have this mirror. I'm really proud of myself because I have 2 nightstands, and I just feel so mature that I do. Both of them are from IKEA. This one has a little lamp on it with wires around it, and I feel like it just fits with the theme of my room. And then I have 2 books. This is Outliers, and this is Merchant of Venice that I like to read occasionally. And then under there, I just have my laptop charger. This is literally the first time opening this drawer in like months. I have another book in here, and then headphones, a receipt, and a pencil. I didn't know that was there. Here was... I have a California king bed. Finally in my bed. When I said that the mirror is my favorite thing in the room, I lied. My bed is, because it's a damn California king bed. I don't really know where any of the bedding is from. It's just white comforters and pillows. It's really not that special. But this blanket, it's this pink fuzzy blanket that's so soft, and this is from Home Goods. I have this pink fluffy pillow that Haley got me for Christmas, so I don't know where it's from. But then I just have pillows. I think these are all from IKEA, so real great, real cute. This is my second nightstand. This is where I keep everything that I use nightly. So right here, I just have hand lotion. I have body lotion from Lancome, and then I have a facial spray that I put on before I go to bed from Fresh. And then I have another one of these glass containers that just holds lip balm, and then I have a jade roller in here, and then my AirPods and a scrunchie. In the drawer of this, I have nasal spray, which is great, sleeping mask, something that I need to edit, and then deodorant. Under that, I just have my phone charger, really the basics. Next to that, I have this light up tree from Target, and I really like that. I feel like it, again, ties the room together. So I just like that, and it stays lit. I also just have these basic fairy lights just going around my room from Amazon. I have a little Polaroid film wall. These are just some of them, and then look who that is. That's my mother from like the 90s, and she looks so cute. So I love that picture. Moving on to this wall, I have 2 paintings that I actually drew myself. I used to draw all the time, but I kind of like stopped. I might go back into that. So this is just a painting that was, I think, a Liechtenstein one, but I just didn't draw the dots because I didn't want to. And then this one is of Cara Delevingne, so real cute. This door is to my bathroom. Again, I'm not really gonna go into it, but just my bathroom. Really not that special. no need to talk about it. The last thing in my room is my full body mirror from HomeGoods, and I love that it also gives the rustic vibe. It kind of matches with the mirror that's on my dresser, and I love that. This is where I take all of my mirror pics, all my outfit pics. This is where all that happens. So that's about it. That's my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week.